Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to give you a quick update on Crocoin as well as take a look at the overall crypto market. Without further ado, we are at 10,000 subscribers. When we reach 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away this loaded line NFT, so subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. So guys, as of right now, we're just consolidating really. We're in a very tight range. We're above 26,000 barely by literally 21 cents on Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance is still coming up. We're almost at that 49% mark, which is pretty incredible to see. It's been a couple months now. It's probably been over a couple of years at this point since we've reached that level of dominance level, which is pretty surprising, but also goes to show where we are about in the grand scheme of things when it comes to the Bitcoin 4-year cycle. But all in all here, guys, we are consolidating. Let's take a look over at Bitcoin because right now we are trading below, well, we're not trading below, but we are below the key level of 28,200. We are trading about to be on this weekly candle below the 26,300 price level. I am looking very, very closely to this level of 25,300. If we continue to have daily candle closes below 25,300, or excuse me, below 26,300, then I am expecting a capitulation down when we have low volume to come below to 21,600. I think that will probably be how it plays out, especially right now with all this liquidity I've noticed has been going into the traditional stock market. A lot of liquidity is flowing into the equities, and lots of stocks are moving pretty heavily right now. There's lots of talk today for the FOMC meeting in regards to a lot of people think that there's going to be a pause on the rate hikes. We're going to have to see how that plays out because usually, well, we had a less than predicted inflation rate. We came out at 4% when it was supposed to be like 4.2, I believe, of inflation rate. So it's below what was expected. So people are assuming that the Federal Reserve, the Chairman Jerome Powell, is going to pause the rate hikes today. But it would not surprise me if he raises the rates because what we've been seeing a pattern of, well, I've been seeing a pattern of, is raising rates into strength when the market is showing strength. And to be honest with you guys, the traditional market is showing some minimal strength right now. I wouldn't be surprised if he laid down some bearish news, especially because they're releasing $300 billion worth of U.S. Treasuries tomorrow. And if the stock market is doing really well, then people probably aren't going to be inclined to buy those Treasury bonds. So keep that in the back of your mind. But I do think that the volume is going to dry up here and will capitulate down to about below 25,300, with the low being 21,600. I think that is an appropriate thesis right here. But after we reach those levels, as time goes by, guys, we're getting closer and closer to these Bitcoin halvings. The Bitcoin halvings are these blue lines right here that I have drawn out. And these lines, we're getting closer and closer, guys. As we get closer, the more hype starts to build, and thus the price should increase. But guys, be patient. Be patient. We have lots of time to accumulate. Sideways price action is my thesis here, leading into the Bitcoin halving until the hype starts. Over on Crocoin, we are below the previous low. We haven't fully reached the bottom of this wick yet. I do think we're headed there, though. Almost exactly as I've been predicting that we are going to be getting these daily candle closes until we reach about this level or get close to that level. That's kind of how it tends to happen, especially as volume is drying up. Be prepared for that. But in the meantime, I do think that the volume is going to dry up. We are going to come down to this 5-cent mark. But until we break below 5 cents, I think we'll probably bounce off of this 5-cent mark. I really do. I think we're going to make our way back up to 5.5 cents. However, that being said, the Crocoin to Bitcoin valuation, I think, is going to bleed significantly against Bitcoin, especially as we get closer to this Bitcoin halving, especially as Bitcoin starts making these bigger moves after the Bitcoin halving. And as this Bitcoin halving hype builds, I am expecting the value of Crocoin to decrease versus Bitcoin temporarily. Temporarily, guys. Keep that in mind. Temporarily. Because after Bitcoin does make its big moves to the upside and starts to trade sideways, that's when I expect Crocoin to do some very volatile moves to the upside, especially that they are standing strong amongst all of this FUD and fear that's been going on over the past couple of years in this bear market. It's been very, very brutal, and they're holding up pretty strong. But guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. We have broken 10,000 subscribers. Cannot wait to reach our next milestone of 25,000 subscribers so we can give away this loaded lion NFT. Guys, if you are a member on the channel, you get 10 additional entries as well each month you are a member to win this loaded lion NFT. So very excited about that. And also, please feel free to check out the description box below. We have awesome referral links, lots of free money down there. But that's all I got, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.